All right, so today I'm going to go over how to do a corner. First thing you want to do when you thinking about doing a corner is you got to find the right shingle for it. You want to find a shingle that has really tight grain, really tight grain, small pieces of grain, and that they're either going straight up and down or away from the corner that you want to do. So here's a good example of a shingle that you'd want to use for a corner. On this side here, it looks like it has really tight grain. This shingle here is a shingle that you wouldn't want to use for a corner because you see how wide the grain is and it's curvy. It's going to mess up your corner when you're trying to plane it flush. So once you've decided a shingle that you want to use, you go ahead and you come to your corner. Go ahead and you place your shingle on the line that you've already created. Try to place the side with the tighter grain right along where you're going to make your corner. Go ahead and attach it in 3 places. Once you got your shingle attached, I have a 3rd nail there to keep it from swiveling. Normally you only want to just do 2 nails. And then I cut additional material off the top here to keep it from flaring. And then get as close as possible and break it off. If you want, you can go ahead and take a little more material off here with your knife. And then you want to plane it flush. Use your block plane. Go ahead and plane it flush. All right.